Welcome back to the Cryptopreneurs channel. My name is Dave Espino, and today we're talking about an interesting project called CoinFantasy and how it's going to make investing fun. Now, CoinFantasy is a next-generation decentralized fantasy trading platform in which users can earn payouts by correctly predicting the outcome of their favorite cryptocurrency. So it's very similar to fantasy football or fantasy sports games, except in this scenario, rather than having a dream team that you've developed in the sport, you actually have cryptocurrencies and you're predicting the outcome of those crypto coins. Now, apart from the game, the platform features an NFT marketplace, a sophisticated credit system, investment DAOs, metaverse incorporation, and DeFi elements, which all combine to make it a dynamic and rewarding experience. So CoinFantasy makes investing fun again. It'll transform investing into a game, eliminating the fear of financial loss and giving even the most inexperienced investor an edge over those looking to benefit from the secondary markets. So it's a good way to kind of get introduced to investing, to trading, and that kind of thing. And it's also going to bring the fundamental concept of fantasy sports, where players select a fantasy team, to crypto and derivatives. This will allow users to choose a specific cryptocurrency lineup to compete against other players who join the game pools. So this is really more geared to those people who are very interested in trading crypto, buying and selling, and so forth. CoinFantasy pioneered the decentralized fantasy gaming platform for crypto stock markets based on the play-to-earn principle. Through its one-of-a-kind, no-loss game, CoinFantasy guarantees that participants will never suffer a loss, only possible gains. So that's kind of interesting, right? Its objective is to gamify crypto markets through multiple categories of games, thus acting as a layer 2 platform on top of the primary markets. At CoinFantasy, users can join the contest they wish to participate in, select a lineup of crypto stocks that would rise in value, and win real money from playing. As users level up through their games on the platform, they can mint unique and rare NFTs that will also grant bonus points. Users can unlock NFTs with a variety of attributes, and users who have accumulated and transferred these transferable NFTs can begin earning a passive income on the side. CoinFantasy aims to build a multi-billion-dollar niche market that connects the cryptocurrency economy's three components. By combining the NFT, cryptocurrency, and gaming industries, CoinFantasy can create the most successful play-to-earn crypto games. So that's a very interesting take. What they've done is pretty much kind of combined fantasy football, fantasy sports with crypto, and then they've made it so that you can't lose, you can only gain, which is kind of interesting as well. So, this is great for those that are interested in trading, who want to kind of hone their skills in trading, want to get better and better at trading by predicting where the market's going to move at any given point in time. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.